Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately by sorting and splitting ripe fruits. Choose firm, fresh ones. Once split, rinse to remove debris, then place fruit in a large pot. Add enough water to cover, stir in 1/2 tsp coarse salt and a careful 1/8 tsp baking soda. This begins to neutralize tannins that cause bitterness. Bring to a gentle boil, skim foam as it forms because foam traps bitter compounds. Keep the heat moderate. You want even heat penetration, not a violent boil. Once boiling, reduce to a steady simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. This leaches out bitter acids slowly. You should taste a small piece after 15 minutes to gauge progress because overtreatment alters flavor. If bitterness remains, drain, refill with fresh water, and simmer another 10 minutes. Make sure to skim again. If you must adjust chemistry, add only a pinch more baking soda. Too much will make flat, so go in tiny increments and retaste between adjustments. You finish by draining and rinsing the fruit thoroughly under cool running water, then press or pat dry to remove excess moisture. If you plan to press for oil, move straight to room temperature pressing. If the fruit is for eating, brighten flavor by tossing with a little citrus or salt to mask residual bitterness. If bitterness persists, make a troubleshooting soak. Resoak overnight in weak saline or filtered water with a bit of activated charcoal, then rinse and repeat boiling briefly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.